Welcome to another RMS support tutorial. Today we'll discuss how to set P2 organization codes in RMS. Now let's get started. This video is intended to explain the new process in setting the correct P2 organization code. All Corps of Engineer contracts have corresponding P2 projects. In most cases, once a contract is awarded, funded in CFMs, and a contract number is assigned, the P2 projects associated with the contract will auto-link when the contract number is entered in. This link is not needed to use RMS. However, the project manager will need to have the link established in order for current construction contract status to be included in the monthly LIR. There may be more than one contract associated with a single project ID. Consult your district's policy on updating the appropriate screens to ensure the data presented in the LIR reports reflect the contract's current status as closely as possible. To ensure a P2 project is auto-linked to a contract in RMS, we must have certain criteria established. In P2 and RMS, the full contract number and delivery order number needs to have been entered into the WBS Work Breakdown Structures band in the P2 project and an RMS contract setup module. Ensure the checkboxes for will this contract be linked to P2 and use P2 data prior to award are checked. RMS will not check or establish a link to P2 if both checkboxes are not selected. In P2, make sure the P2 project has the correct task organization or CFMS code, and that at least one office in the RMS has the code associated with it. This will be demonstrated later in this tutorial. In P2, the following information must have already been entered into the P2 project: the RMS contract number and the RMS system milestone codes within P2. See Government Manual Volume 3, Milestone section for a list of milestone codes used. The P2 project status needs to be open or active, and the monetary value needs to be greater than 0.01. A P2 project linking can be triggered by a CFMS download once all of the above information has been entered within both RMS and P2. Please note that all changes in P2 may take 24 to 72 hours before they show in RMS. P2 support has identified that one of the conditions of getting P2 projects to show up on manual listing for linking projects to P2 module is the actual contract award date must be entered into P2. Once the P2 project has linked to a contract, data will automatically be transferred between RMS and P2 until the physical completion date is entered into P2, which will stop the flow of data. Data will not be synced until a link has been established between RMS and P2. For detailed instructions on how to manually link a P2 project, a link will be provided in the description box of this video. We will now demonstrate how to set up P2 organization codes and office descriptions. Setting the P2 organization code can be achieved simply from the district's contract selection view. Click on the Local Office tab. Be sure to apply these changes to the appropriate office or district. To do this, expand the office tree drop-down selection. A list of districts and offices will display. Choose the correct district or office, then click the office description module. There is now a section to set the P2 organization code. Click on the P2 ORG button. A list of P2 organizations will populate. There are two extra options at the bottom. Choosing Clear Selection will remove any entry selected. The Update ORGS button will download the most recent P2 organization codes in the event your code does not populate. You may also search for a specific code at any time by entering text information in the search box. Once you have found the correct code, select it and click OK. This will update the district's P2 organization code accordingly. In summary, we demonstrated how to properly set P2 organization codes in the Office Description module. If you experience any technical difficulties while attempting to set, change, or clear the P2 organization codes in RMS, please contact the RMS Support Help Desk by submitting a support ticket or by calling the Help Desk phone. Links to our contact information will be provided in the description of this video. We hope you found this video informative and thank you for watching.